Setting up and getting started with the crystal is quite easy and straightforward, but you have to do it right. And if you're like me, you don't read manuals, so maybe you can follow this video instead. Let's go through the steps very quickly, and let's get you started with the crystal. Actually, there's two things you can already do before the crystal arrives. One is update your GPU drivers, and the other one is download Pimax Play. Okay, so let's open the box. There's some face foam, but we don't need that for now. Then we have, of course, the crystal. Here we have a battery charger and a battery. Controllers. Some cables we'll use in a moment. Some more cables. Here we have chargers for the controllers. Here we also have something for the power supply, so we'll get to it. Here we have the manual, most people don't read, and a warranty. And then here we have some more cables. And we'll also get to that in a moment. Let's remove this plastic from the lenses. And we can remove the plastic here. This little foam for transport, we don't need it. And let's put in a battery. This should have enough power already. Put it in like this. Okay, so we want AC adapter, and we'll get an adapter that is suitable for our country. We want the AC hub, and then this cable here. Okay, so we started with this little square, and first we put on some power. So we plug it into the power supply. We have some power on here, so let's plug it into the AC plug. And if you did it well, it's going to show up a blue light. Now let's move to this USB to USB cable. You must plug it next to the AC adapter. No other position on the USB hub. Only next to the AC adapter. And this one we put into the computer. Here's another key part. This cable has 3 plugs on this side. There's a DP cable and 2 USB. You can see one of them is black, one of them is blue. The black one we do not use. We do not use anywhere. The blue one we put into the USB hub, not into the computer, but into the USB hub. We put it to the side, just like this. And then the DP cable you put into the computer. Make sure you put it into your GPU, not your motherboard. So there we go. Okay, so we have our hub set up. Let's connect the crystal to the computer. So I already put a battery in. Maybe one more thing to do is check if it's in PCVR mode. So this switch here should be to the left. It also says PC. If you put it to the right, that's standalone mode, and it will not connect to the computer. So we also open Pimax Play, and what we do then is we turn on the crystal by pressing this button for a few seconds, and a blue light will come on. So first we turn it on, and then we insert the DP cable. You can see here this graphic how the cable should be inserted. So basically, we insert it the same way, and you have to insert it until you hear a click. Either hear it or you feel it. Just like that. It'll take a few seconds, and then it's going to show up. There we go. Okay, so one thing we need to do is the room settings. Crystal's on, it's connected. We'll go to room settings. I've put it on the table facing the direction I normally want to use it. So we go to Start Setups. Yes, it's on. So we want the crystal to face the direction we will normally use it, and then we will calibrate center. So you can put it on the floor and enter 0, or I've put it on the table here, so I'm entering 70, and then calibrate floor, so it will know the height. And that's it. Okay, So one last tiny thing, it's quite easy, but also easy to do wrong, is how to wear it properly. And a lot of people make this mistake. What we want to do is maybe loosen this top strap a little bit, and then here move the head strap totally to the back. Yeah? And then when we put it on, a lot of people will put it on like this and tighten it. But you want to pull this totally down like this and then tighten it. So again, a lot of people will do this, but this is not correct. You want to pull this down to the back of your head and then tighten it. This way the crystal is more comfortable and you get a better clarity out of the headset. So that's it for now. Enjoy your crystal.